All right, I made it to Texas with tomorrow morning. We got stuff to do. We gonna keep y'all tuned. But he told me to tell y'all, don't worry about the AL code. Ain't that right?
It ain't for sale.
It ain't for sale. And don't worry about what's up under the hood.
No.
All right, y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
Me and Unc in the store, and I had to get these for the Corvette, put on the motors. Yeah.
Hey, it's a white boy at my job.
Yeah.
They built things in the garage. I don't know what kind of engine. He put his computer. He hooked his computer up to us.
Yeah.
Nigga saying somebody bid him with one of those, not the scat pack, but the other one.
Yeah.
Say, man, one of the wheels off that motherfucker. Say he couldn't keep up with it.
Yeah.
His shit dumped up under the car.
Yeah.
So you know it's loud as fuck. Why he put the computer on this shit? He be setting the car.
He got all that goddamn.
Once you fucking. Why you ain't taking? You got to pay for yours.
Yeah, hey man, he got some. Hey, he
he
got some hood dogs back there. You been back here tomorrow?
My dog came from his dog. Somebody killed my goddamn dog. I had to bad motherfucker.
Man, hey, he got some killers back there. You hear?
I just gave him a killer.
Been here.
And it's rolling.
Yeah, it's been here.
You're not gonna race it to kill them. Don't do it.
Fuck no.
You're gonna lose all your goddamn money.
All your
and
money.
you can't hear it.
Boy.
You can't hear the bike.
Only thing about that bike, that gas one, it's gonna take off real quick. When that motherfucking electric take off, it's gonna shoot past your ass like that.
Yeah, and keep going.
You can't get it.
Yeah.
You can't catch it.
That's it.
Pull out to fix his eyes and come grab it. It's a lot of shit going on in Galveston. Galveston ain't like the river. See, let me tell you about Galveston. Boy, no.
You come get me and take me to Galveston.
Yeah, I need to. You have to change your reels there, all your lines.
You don't wanna go to Galveston.
You don't want to go Galveston? Yeah. You know what spooling is? That's where your reels get hit and there's shit you can do. I watch.
Hey, y'all, Uncle real
It's just
professional painter.
Ain't
You hear
nothing
me?
you can do. Just watch it go off. Go buy you some more lines. And everybody selling bait. Mullet, squid. You don't know what you're going to catch. Your shit will fuck around, bend down and break the rod before you can grab it. You don't know what you're going to catch. And it don't be sharp. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You know, I did some work down here in the Dallas. Gotta.
Swingers on it.
You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, we gonna stop right
Where you
here.
put your other ball, it's on the other side.
Well, me and Unc got this motherfucker wet. Y'all see the gleam. All right, tomorrow
What
we
you
gonna
got
get
to
the
do
frame.
now? Come here. Come here.
Tomorrow we gonna get on the frame, quick coat the frame. Y'all see that chrome? And then hopefully me and Unc get that motor started.
We can start that motherfucker tomorrow.
Y'all stay tuned. All right. We taking this down to bare metal. And then I'm gonna go with a clear coat. I'm gonna keep this just the way it is, but I'm gonna go all bare metal everywhere else. I'm gonna clear coat it. Then we gotta paint it. So I'm gonna do like Rich Rollins do, y'all, man. Sometimes. I said I was gonna start at this time, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait. I wanna do this right. We're gonna get this down to bare metal, and then I'll probably try to start it tomorrow. Yes, sir.
She's the spindle, and we spin. She's whatever, she just puts spin right there. And then come to the other side, and that motherfucker just comes
I can only imagine it's gonna be some type of leak. And I tilt that motherfucker this way.
How you gonna cut it off?
I'm gonna cut it off.
Yeah.
No cool, Dre.
Hold on, watch out. Let me. I think you're supposed to pull that plug.
Uh-oh. Gas coming. What?
Oh my god.
Yeah, this
You
right
don't
there.
involve me in your niggerish.
Come on, Dre.
You ain't even holding it upright. Nigga, in the flat, which way is the smoke? Wait.
Right, it's coming this way. This the cool side.
Niggas.
All right, we good. Let's get it, Dre. Let's get it.
That's too much gas.
Damn.
You flooded.
Fuck.
That is way too fucking much gas.
All right, let's take this shit off. And then you'll put that upside down right over there. All right. That's how you was feeling, bro? You went and put the rims on today?
It's okay, Dave. Even though I missed the parade, it's cool, you know.
Man. Hold on. But just tilt it. Don't put that much, you know what I'm saying? You gotta really, we throttle on that motherfucker. Ooh. All right. Keep it up like that though until we get some of that. All right, let's get it. Give us again. Where that started from? Yup, just like that one. Turbo was spinning, bro. Damn. We in the game. All I gotta do is get me a new intake. That's all that is. Bro, that motherfucker was spinning.
Yeah, it was pushing that shit through that motherfucker.
Damn.
All that airflow was going right through there.
I'm excited, bro. So all I gotta do is get my intake. I wonder, should I get the intake to come out right here? Or should I get the one to come right up under here?
You might need a bigger one than that.
What?
Intake.
Yeah, no, that intake, I made this. I custom made that.
Oh, okay.
You feel
See
me?
if that motherfucker will work.
Damn. My shit was spooling up.
Yeah, that motherfucker. Hey, we gotta play that back and hear it.
All right, so what's next on the go-kart is I gotta get the oil fittings and get the oil trash pump with a small little oil pump. I get it all priced on Amazon. And new intake. Y'all don't use JB Wheel. JB Wheel no good. And I used it right up here on top where I can shave it down and not where the hose at, because I didn't want to get it clogged up in the hose. But JB Wheel do not work. I made my own custom intake, and it got to start it up, you know. Let me see that it work. Let me see that the turbo operate. So now we just gotta wait for parts to come in. So y'all stay tuned.